In a first of its kind, the Vocational Training Centres VTCs operating under the Salesian Sisters of Shillong Province launched a 2-day Skill Expo 2026 on 16th April at Auxilium, North Thamai, Shillong. This marks the first occasion on which the organisation has convened a formal community-facing platform to exhibit the professional competencies and creative outputs of its trainees. The event, held against a backdrop of various stalls, was formally inaugurated by the chief guest, Mr. Winston Tony Lingdo, Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and MDC of Nong Thamai. In a symbolic gesture of opening new pathways for the youth, Mr. Lingdo performed the traditional cutting of the ribbon, marking the start of a 2-day showcase of talent and technical proficiency. The speakers of the day at the inaugural function applauded the initiatives of the Salesian Sisters in providing life skills and exhorted the trainees to scale up their talents and opportunities. The guests of honour, Shri Donborlang Khongshe, Rangbashnong of Lumyablot, and Shri G. Langste, Manager of the District Commerce and Industry Centre DCIC, emphasized the critical role of practical training in bridging the gap between education and employment. Further, the manager from DCIC briefed about the available schemes through the department and exhorted both training centres and trainees to avail the benefits. From the part of the province, Sister Carmelina Sun, Vice Provincial, highlighted the commitment of the province towards nurturing not just skilled workers but responsible citizens following the path of the co-foundress, Saint Maria Domenica Mazzarello. The welcome note was earlier delivered by Sister Garnet Sutnga, Social Development Coordinator, setting a warm and hospitable tone for the day. Another attraction of the day was the performance of a Khasi song by Alice Navinia Kharkongor, inviting everyone to preserve the cultural identity of the place. Themed, Where Talent Meets Opportunity, the event is envisioned as a forum through which trainees demonstrate the practical skills they have acquired across various vocational disciplines, including garment design and tailoring, leather craft and accessories, bag making, candle making, bakery, computer skills, etc. The exhibition shall be open to the public from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on both days. Present on the occasion were the 3 headmen of the localities in Nong Thamai, provincial councillors, sisters, young people, trainers, trainees and representatives from the different VTCs of the province. Adding a cultural dimension to the closing day, a live performance by Miss Jennifer Nongbet is scheduled for April 17th at 4:30 p.m.
Should I bite for my chin?
Lại vô biển. Tờ. Lại vô để biển cái lại chậm. Restart, restart.